I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by equipping the shinobi prosthetic, choose the firecracker or loaded axe, and carry at least one healing gourd. Move in from the doorway to bait her first aerial illusion. This gives you predictable parry windows. Focus on deflect timing over dodging, because deflects build posture damage faster. Once you land a few successive deflects, follow with 2 quick hits and immediately disengage to reset distance. Make sure to watch her hands. They telegraph the trickiest chain attacks. Once the fight settles, keep pressure by prioritizing deflects and short punishments. 2 to 3 clean parries will make her posture brittle faster than traded heavy hits. Use the firecracker when she calls in illusions. That suspension creates a free opening for a 3-hit combo and a jump attack to maximize damage. Make sure to break off after that combo to avoid her counters. If you need to heal, wait until she finishes an aerial sequence so you aren't interrupted and punished. To finish, focus on posture. Chain precise deflects and slip in a heavy blow as her posture nears breaking, then commit to a death blow when she stumbles. You must avoid overcommitting. Back away briefly after the heavy hit to prevent counter combos. If you get stunned or the illusions reset your rhythm, pause and recalibrate timing by practicing single deflect windows until consistent. Remember, refining your parry rhythm and using the firecracker at the right moment solves most problems during the final sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.